Describe your aesthetic.
Gabadee gabadoo, zooby da da doo. Hi, I'm Alex.
And I'm Zoya.
And today we're going to be getting creative and designing our dream kitchens using The Sims.
We both love interior design, and The Sims is the perfect tool to put our skills to the test.
Okay, so my ideal kitchen is very much like I am as a person, loud, and just very like warm and inviting.
My ideal style would be like the opposite of that. So kind of just more dark and moody.
Industrial, modern.
Just like minimal.
I like the teals and the greens. We've got terracotta, like throw in the colors, throw in the pattern.
Maybe if you can find a cool color, maybe we can compromise. I like white.
You like white?
Yeah, white is nice for me.
See, I don't like white.
Perfect.
I love plants. I love the look of plants. If you're like me and you struggle keeping them alive, sometimes fake plants do the job.
Absolutely not. There cannot be any fake plants. Worst thing.
Really?
I can't
You
do
hate
fake
it?
plants. Yeah. So maybe like industrial meets warmth.
Yeah, finding that middle ground. I'm so excited to start this design process, and I really hope that this kitchen embodies both Zoya and my personalities.
We probably have pretty different ideas of what the kitchen should look like. Hopefully there's enough common ground where something makes sense, but we'll see. I'm just really scared she's gonna do something pink.
Okay, I'm so excited for this. I used to play The Sims all the time, so this is bringing back some memories. Okay, I'm gonna start with some counters. My ideal kitchen style is well organized, lots of storage, lots of countertop.
Modern countertop, perfect. I cook all the time. There's never enough counter space, so that is a non-negotiable. The moody goth kitchen of my dreams. My ideal kitchen style is very minimal, very clean. I don't like anything out on the counters. No appliances, no servingware. I don't want to really look lived in at all.
Double fridge, double stove. I know Zoya will appreciate that because there is never enough fridge space.
The bar spark's a good idea because if I was able to have a bar in the kitchen, I could make myself drinks while I watch Alex cook.
Hot tub. Wow.
I think we'll just add something fun, like a hot tub.
Oh,
it's perfect. Wait, it's a swim-up bar.
Zoya better love this design because she's complaining about fake plants. So now I've given her real trees.
I want to do a couple indoor plants. Real ones, not fake ones.
Wow, a mushroom? Why not? You know what every kitchen needs? A bed. Hear me out. When you get a food coma, then you can just go to bed.
Guardian of the Gnomalyxy. Alex had like these gnome-looking things when we first met, and I told her she had to get rid of them.
We need some gnomes on our mushroom lawn. Zoya would definitely not like gnomes. This is like Zoya as a gnome. That's me as a gnome.
Ooh, mannequin of a woman. Look at how much decor I put up. That's crazy, guys. There's like 3 things.
Ooh, a mannequin. We need one of those.
There's a pride flag.
We need that, obviously. Oh my gosh, guys. This is looking amazing. Sims has sparked so many ideas for me to build a real kitchen. I cannot wait to show Zoya my design. She's gonna hate it.
It couldn't get any better than this, truly.
All right, I'm about to see your kitchen. What? This is a gazebo and a hot tub?
I thought you'd like that.
Yeah, you know me so well. Yeah, this looks like as empty as your kitchen was when I met you.
Yeah, it's perfect.
This is so good. You did a great job. I love the little elements that you've added. And it's not too modern, industrial, cold.
I thought to kind of warm it up, I'd put a hot tub
Put
in.
an actual hot
I'm a very literal person.
Well, you definitely warmed it up.
Yeah.
For sure. I don't know if we could actually put a hot tub in the kitchen we designed, but you know, girls can dream. Zoya, are you ready to see my kitchen design?
No.
I think it is exactly what you would expect.
Okay, should we find out?
Yeah.
Shrooms? Wait, is there also a hot tub in yours?
Yes.
Where'd you get the bomb trees from? Wait, you have the same bar?
Yes.
A bed?
In case you get a food coma.
Okay.
I need to take a nap.
What is that thing?
It's a cupcake factory.
Wait, I have the same statue. And the pride flag.
I know.
Your entire wall's a pride flag.
I know, I made it bigger, but like we have so many of the same elements.
Not the gnomes.
This is me as a gnome, and this is you as a gnome. I really hope we can find a way to merge our designs and find a middle ground.
Yeah, me too.
After creating my kitchen design and showing it to Zoya and then seeing Zoya's design, I am really excited to design a kitchen in real life with her, but also a little apprehensive, I must say. Let's see how it goes.
I told you there'd be gnomes. Gnomes. I mean, her place was really funny and all that, but I know that she does want a lot of those elements of color, and like, we have to find that compromise when it comes to our kitchen styles, but I don't know. I guess you'll have to watch the next episode to find out. We hope this inspired you to get out there and do something creative. And let us know if any of our ideas have sparked something in you.
If you want to show off your personal Sims kitchen, you can download the game now for free. Create a whole world and spark something with The Sims.